is so bold of you, dumbass. Always gonna be magnetic. We are doing a new musical premiering at this. Oh, wow.
See you later, guys.
Bro won't pass, but we'll keep crossing into the middle of the road. I'm gonna fly by you the moment we get past
one of these breeds. Did you see them turn their brights off and then on again for some reason?
They're speeding up as I pass like dickheads.
Warden. Hey, buddy.
It is a warden. And I was going like 5 over. Don't pull me over. And cruise. What in the fuck is this guy doing?
They're never gonna find your car, and I'm like,
Bull
if you say
fucking
red,
shit.
they're gonna be looking for fire engine red or like this. Like that's red. Not like that is not Jack's color. And they're like, well, I thought.
So 35, you're going 10. Ooh, look at that old car up there. I guess we're just going. What an awful, awful place to be pulled over. G-Wagon. Woman is the only vocalist. This is a different band, but this is a Ukrainian band. They're actually the first band like this I got into.
Nice.
Because I heard one of their live things, and I'm like, okay, are you... great day to spend almost entirely inside.
Listen, I'm okay with
we
that.
all need that kind of day. I needed that kind of day. Like, this evening is different because that... I wanna feel the slow burn.
I know because Mississippi.
Yeah, and they had to put the fake wood paneling on it.
Yeah.
It's an ugly car, and they made it worse somehow.
Yeah. Well, go big or go home or whatever.
They should have picked Go Home. I'm sorry.